Hi everybody, welcome to the live with Chaudhry here at the DDF Summit in Berlin. It's day one, it's very hot, but it's a very busy show, which is good to see. I'm delighted to joined by Krcho from Pfanstiehl, who's General Manager for Europe, if I remember correctly.
That's right.
And I have been seeing Krcho at DDF Summit for years, in fact, since at least 2018. I've been seeing Krcho here. And also I saw Krcho recently at PEGS and many other events.
Bioprocessing, I think.
In the last few months. So Krcho, it's lovely to see you. How are you first of all?
I'm good. Once again, it's all fought for us here, so sweating like hell. But we are very happy to be here and again on the road in Berlin, and great to see this nice event, and very busy times here for us.
Fantastic. Now, for those people not familiar with Pfanstiehl, can you give me a quick overview of the business?
Yeah. So Pfanstiehl is a full GMP manufacturer of highly purified, high quality, low endotoxin, low metal excipients, specifically designed for the use in biopharma applications, formulations, and all parenteral grade. And our headquarters is located in Waukegan, Illinois, US, FDA approved, and yeah, that's basically our business.
Right, so I've got a question for you though. Obviously, you do these high purity ingredients, etc. But what are the main challenges when people are selecting ingredients?
The main challenge is basically that most customers don't know what to take, what is important for them. So it's about basically utilizing manufacturing raw materials which are really highly characterized, low endotoxin, specifically for biopharma, where the excipient content in biopharma can be quite high. So low endotoxin, low elemental impurity is extremely important to be, let's say, to have a good, drug product which meets the requirements from the regulatory bodies as well.
Right, okay. Now I understand that you're speaking this week.
Absolutely.
So what are you talking about?
We were talking about Trehalose and Sucrose being essential components of Biopharma platform formulations, and basically going into the details specifically for Sucrose and Trehalose, and what the key quality attributes are to be considered for those products.
Right, now without going through your presentation and preempting it, what are some of the key quality attributes?
Key quality attributes is about, once again, characterization of elemental impurities, specifically all over the board. So we have 29 elemental impurities characterized and specified and testing for each batch, and being releasing on our products based on ICP-MS testing on that. That's one aspect. Microbial specification, low microbial specification, assay, definitely, and also endotoxin levels, very, very low specified. We have, our specification limit is lower than 0.2 EU per gram.
Right, fantastic. Now, apart from your presentation, what else are you talking to delegates about this week?
Oh, we are very excited about new product launches. Basically, we are just, the last time we met, it was in 2020, 2019, so we added a couple of amino acids to our product portfolio. So we are very excited about this, and once again, we are applying the same quality attributes, the same quality approach to those products as we do for the carbohydrates. So once again, what I actually mentioned already to you, we are excited that we have now 4 amino acids like arginine base, arginine monohydrochloride, histidine base, and histidine monohydrochloride. And we will continue to add more.
Fantastic. Now, when is your presentation this week?
It's actually today. So, please, I can only encourage all participants of this conference to join and listen to my talk, and definitely we would be happy to have let's say afterwards conversation at our booth.
And hopefully it'll be available on demand, I would have thought, through the platform as well, through DDF's platform.
That's right, yes.
Brilliant. Now, if people can't see you this week at the show, where else can they meet you?
Oh, we have a very busy conference schedule moving forward, which includes basically CPHI, PEGS Europe. We have a drug delivery conference in St. Hugh coming up very shortly. Then also the Breckenridge conference, which is very much focused on biologic protein aggregation and, let's say, how to prevent that. So once again, I think we will get very busy. Hopefully it's not that hot there. So looking forward to meet all of our customers and friends.
Brilliant. And if people cannot make it to those shows or here, where else can they get more information?
Definitely on our website. And basically, we have a great team of a business development team members all over the world. With a colleague of mine here in Europe, Thomas Nsenda, but also representatives in Asia Pacific, in India, China, as well as. But please look at our website and you will find all the relevant information.
Brilliant. Well, Christian, thank you very much for taking time out to talk to me. I'm delighted to finally pin you down to do this interview. So I've been asking you for about 3 years to do it. So,
absolutely.
I feel delighted to actually catch you on camera.
Okay.
That's fantastic. So there you go, viewers. If you're here at DDF Summit and you're here this afternoon, you can check out Christian's presentation.
Absolutely.
If you're not here, you can hopefully catch it on demand through the platform.
Yeah.
And you can also meet the team at the various events that Krcho's mentioned, like APS, CPHI and so on. And if you can't do that, then obviously you can go to the LinkedIn page and also to their website. So Krcho, good luck with the presentation today.
Thank you.
And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.